Today also we'll continue with the Heron's formula. Now we have some different type of sums, like question number 1 is the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram whose sides are 36 and 27. If the distance between the shorter side, this is the shorter side, distance distance always means perpendicular, is 12 centimeter. Find the distance between the longest side. So at area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. If base is BC, then the height is DN. Or if the base is AB, then height is DN. So BC 27 into 12 is equal to 36 into X, which we have to find. So X is equal to 27 into 12 by 36. This is 3, this is 9. So answer will be 9 centimeter. Question number 2. OABC is a rhombus. OABC is a rhombus whose 3 vertices A, B and C lies on a circle with center if the radius of circle is 10 centimeter. Find area of rhombus. So let's understand the question. O is the center. 3 points lie on circle. OABC. Radius is 10 and OB is also radius 10. So we have to find the area of a rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 we have, that is half into OB into AC. But the second diagonal we don't have, and the diagonal of the rhombus bisect each other at 90. So we will take triangle OAM. In triangle OAM, we will use here Pythagoras theorem. AM square is equal to OM square plus OA square. All wrong. Sorry. OA square is equal to AM square plus OM square. OA is 10 square. AM is AM only and OM is 5 because the diagonal bisect each other and they bisect at 90. So 100 minus 25 is equal to AM. So AM is equal to 75 root, that is 5 root 3. But we need AC. AC is twice of AM, that is 10 root 3. So area will be equal to half into 10 into 10 root 3. This is 5. 50 root 3 centimeter square. Right? Question number 3. Question number 3 is also of same type. Question number 3 is OPQR is a rhombus whose 3 points lie on circle and O is center of circle. If area of rhombus is 32 under root 3, find the radius. So we draw the circle, same O, P, Q, R. Radius we have to find x. Let's say this also will be x and this is M. Same way, exactly same way we have to do. We'll take triangle ORM. Pythagoras theorem, RO square is equal to RM square plus OM square. RO is x square, RM is RM only. OM will be x by 2, x by 2, 2 whole square. So Rm square is equal to x square minus x square by 4, 4x square minus x square by 4, Rm square will be 3x square by 4, Rm will be under root 3 by 2x, and we need Rp. Rp will be 2 times of Rm, so 3 under root 2 by x into 2, so it will be under root 3x. So area of rhombus now. Area of rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, 32 under root 3. One diagonal is x, another diagonal is under root 3x, 32 under root 3. This is x square is equal to 32 under root 3. This 2 will be multiplied and this 3 will be divided. 64. X is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is also very important. Some of you have already done in class 8, but some has not done. So let's do it. Question is, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 77 and 60 and non-parallel sides are 25 and 60. Find the area of trapezium. Solution. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height, and this is the height. We don't have height, so what we'll do, we'll draw CM parallel to AD. So AMCD is a parallelogram because DC is parallel to AB and AD is parallel to CM. This is given and this is construction. So AM, so this will be 25, opposite side of parallelogram. So this becomes a triangle, triangle CMB. From CMB we will find the area and then we'll find the height. Triangle CBM is S is equal to 25 plus 26 plus this is how much, 60, so this is how much is left, is 20, it is 70 by 2. So 25, 42, 48, 68 by 2, so this will be 34. Area will be equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. So 34 into 34 minus 25, 34 minus 26, 34 minus 70. So this will be 34 into 9 into 8 into 70. Factorize 17 into 2, 3 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3 into 70. So it is 17 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. Under root will be 17 into 2 raised to the power into 3 centimeter square. If you wish to multiply, you can, but if you don't, there is no need to multiply because this is not our final answer. We have to find height of triangle CMB. Triangle CMB, this was 17 and this is this. So area is half into base into height. Half into base is 17, height is equal to 17 into 4 into 3. So height is equal to 17 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 17. 7, 4, 24 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of trapezium. Trapezium was 77 and 60 and this is 24. Area is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, 77 into 24, half into 7, 137 into 24, this is 12, so it will be 1644 centimeter square. So this is our answer. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, this is also important sum. That park is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C and D. Angle C is 90, AB is 9, BC is 12 and CD is 5 and AD is 8. Find the area of a triangle and given is value of under root 35 is equal to 5.9. So find the area. We don't have any formula to find the area for quadrilateral, so we'll join this. Now there are two triangles. The triangle first is triangle BCD. Triangle BCD is half into 12 into 5, 6. It is 30 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of triangle ABD, where two sides are given and third is not given. But if you see this triangle is a right angle triangle, so BD is equal to 12 square plus 5 square under the root 169 under the root is equal to 30. So this comes to 13. Now triangle first S is equal to 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2, 30 by 2. This is 15. So area is equal to 15 into 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8 and 15 minus 30. So it is 5 into 3, 9, 6, 3 into 2, 8, into 7 and into 2 under the root, it will be 3 into 2. So it will be 5 into 7 into 3 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 2. From 3 and 2, 6 root 35 centimeter square. So area of quadrilateral will be 30 plus 6 root 35. This is the answer. Nothing wrong in this. This cannot be added. Don't try to add it, because this is irrational, this is rational. Both cannot be added. Or 30 plus 6 into 5.9. It's a given. Under root 35 is equal to 5.9. So 30 plus 35.5. So the answer will be 65.4 centimeter square. So this is our final